man. Say, man. Come on now, dog. You gotta budge, man. Come on now. Dwayne Wade sit you. You see this, dog? This pocket change, man. 30,000, man. That's what I keep in my pocket to spend a day, man. What you make a year, man? Say, man, what you make a year, man? Oh, okay. If you ever get tired working for them, come work for me. I'll pay you double. Cause you don't talk much, I like you. Hey, Mr. Myers, can I get an autograph? Oh, nah, man. Not the fucking key.